Yay, you're here! It's Achko Machko time! Let's learn, laugh, and play! Hey kids, let's learn A to Z with Achko Machko today!
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce it ahead. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. Ooh, ooh. Elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, who swims along. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. H is for hat, we wear on our seat. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, wiggly and bold. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. Woo! Monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest, with birds and bees. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for panda, rolling on ground. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, splashing colors down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, going choo-choo at night. Woo! U is for umbrella, keeping off rain. V is for van, driving down lane. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, music with glee. Hoo-coo. I is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABC. Learning is fun with Achko Machko and me.